Hello and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So today I'm gonna take is how to identify restriction sites. So again, this is actually a part of molecular biology and numericals. So this will be doing now. So this will give you an idea how exactly, suppose question is given, a certain DNA sequences are given. So how can you understand whether the given sequences are actually the restriction sites which can be identified the restriction endonucleases? Okay. So here is your question. So, which of the following DNA sequences given below might have the recognition site for a restriction enzyme? So, you can see that we have given over here, we have been provided here with the three sequences are there, right? So, here the three sequences are there. So, you can see that TGCGT, okay? Then we have got TGCGCA, TGCTGC. Now, from this, it's not that easy to understand from the given sequences. What you need to do is there's something called palindromic sequences. So if you can remember, like the restriction enzymes are actually recognizes palindromic sequences, then you can identify which of the following is the recognition site for these enzymes. Okay. Now what does it this palindromic sequences means? See, you must have heard an example in English. Madam, I am Adam. Now, this sentence is the palindromic in nature. So, if you read it from here, it is Madam, I am Adam. Now, if you read it from here also, it is Madam, I am Adam. Okay. Similarly, or even if you take only this much, the Madam. So, from here also Madam, here also Madam. Another example I can take is of Malayalam, a very common example which people give always to explain about the palindromic sequences. So Malayalam, from here it is Malayalam. If you read it from here, it is Malayalam. Now this is what we need to check over here. Okay. So yeah, one second. Let me have a space over here little. Okay. So now back to the sequences. So in the same way, we have to check over here also. So let us say that we have first sequence as T G C C G T. Let us say that it is from 5 prime to 3 prime. Okay. Now, you need to write the complementary sequence also of these. So, what will be the complementary sequence over here? See, if you read from here, TGC from here, then CGT. Similarly, it is TGC, CGT. But this is not the way you recognize palindromic sequences in genetics. This is not the way. Since your DNA is a double-stranded helix, right? So you will have the other strand also. So you need to write the sequence of the complementary strand also. So that will be your again A, C, G, G, C, A. Okay. Now you read. Are you able to get the palindromic sequences now? This is TGC, but this is ACG. So no, this is not your answer. Okay, let's go to the second option, B. It is given as T, G, C, G, then you have C and then A. Okay, one second. A. So again, let us say this is 5 dash and then 3 dash. Now again write the complementary sequences. So here we have T, G, C, G, C, A. Now you read TGC from here. If you read from here, it is coming as TGC from this direction, TGC. Then you have GCA, GCA. Now this is the correct sequence. This is the correct palindromic sequence which I was talking about. So yes, option B is your correct answer. So when you solve it for TGC and TGC, you will see that it is not following the palindromic sequence pattern, and hence this is also not the correct answer. So over here your answer is B. I hope this is clear to you guys. If not, watch it again. Okay. So we will be doing the similar question again. So again we have got the 4 different sequences. So again you can talk about the same way where you can have the in mind that you need to solve it like as madam. So here also it should be madam, and from the other direction also it should be madam. So let's talk about these sequences. So what will be these sequences over here? GCT, TAT. So let's say this is 5 dash and 3 dash. So what will be the one sec. Okay, so what will be the then 3 dash over here and 5 dash over here? A, T, A, A, G, C. Now read it. Are you getting that palindromic sequence? GCT, but here it is ATA. So this is not. What about second question? Triple C, triple A. So we have got triple C and triple A. Let us say this is 5 dash, this is 3 dash. What will be the complementary strand over here? T, 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 G, G, and G. So is it coming as palindromic sequence? Triple C and here it is triple T. Again, no. Even this is not. Let's talk about GAT. That is, it's given as GAT, GAT. Again, take it as 5 prime to 3 prime. Write the complementary sequence here. A, T, C, A, T, and again C. This is a 3 dash. So it is GAT from here, but it is ATC from this side. So again, this is also not the correct answer. Let's talk about the fourth option. So let us assume this is 5 prime to 3 prime. I'm writing now its complementary strand A, G, C, T, T. Now this is 3 dash. Now read it. From 5 prime to 3 prime you need to read it over here. So you see that it is AAG. Here also it is AAG. CTT. Here also it is CTT. So here the fourth option is the correct answer. So thank you guys. I hope this was helpful. So many more questions of different types will be coming based on the restriction sites, and then later I will take on the restriction digestion mapping also. And yeah, keep watching so that you can learn and crack all your entrance exams. Thank you guys.